Hi and welcome back to the multi-part tutorial of the French coffee maker tutorial. My name is Novelo, and in this tutorial I show you how we proceed with a metal band, with its which is banded around this metal sheet here. For this, I'm moving to layer 4. Switch to the top view, and I add in a circle, a curved circle. Then I add a mesh, a plane, and I rotate it by 90 degrees in the x-axis. So now we have to do a little bit of math. We need I have figured it out in the test I have made before. I need 52 segments. 52 segments on this circle. But if you scale it manually right now, you never get the right number, the right scale to put exactly 52 segments on this circle. For this, we use a little bit of math. We know that the circle has a scale of 1. It means the coverage of the ring or the circle is the number p, and p is 3.14159. And now I'm going to scale. It's not 1. They have the same scale. They have, this is 2 planar units in diameter, and this here is 2 planar units as well. So I have a factor 1 to 1. So I can scale it with math. Okay, now the number p, we have to divide the number p by 52. If you go into Google and you type in pi and press enter, then you get a little calculator with the number p in it. Then just press divide and type in the number 52, and you get a number. The number is 0.06041, and that you can see the number. I start the screencast keys. Now we are going to scale this plane here by 0.0604, and because the next 2 numbers are 1, 5, I'm going to round up the number 1 to 2. Okay, and it's fail. Scale 0.06042. Okay. The number, you can see it here. Scale for all 3 dimensions. Okay, now we have to put this segment here, and we have to put 52 segments. For this I need array modifier, and I put in the number 52. So we have 52 segments in a row, and now I want to bend them around this circle. For this I need a curve modifier, and I select the Bezier circle, and now you have 52 segments around the circle. Now we add now we have to put some holes in there, or 1 hole. For this I use the Ctrl R for the loop cut, loop cuts, and I need 2 like this, and slide them down here, and another 2 here. And I change to the face selection mode, and I delete this face here. And now we have another problem. If I tab out, you see the circle is in the middle of the segments, but I want that the circle is right here at the bottom. It's really easy. You go into the edit mode, the segments, and you select all faces, or just press A and move it up with Control key. And there we are, a little bit more, like this. Okay, now we have moved the origin point to the bottom of the plane. And if you now tap out, you see the circle is here down at the bottom. Okay, now we can add some more geometry. We can add a solidify modifier, and we can just number a little bit up like this. And last but not least, we add a subdivision surface. And now we have this little rounded edges here. You can prevent this if you hit here merge and first and last. Now we set it to smooth, and voila, it's done. We have at the end, we have at beginning, and we have an edge, a rounded edge, but this is okay. Normally this part of the coffee maker is manufactured as a band, and holes are pressed in there, and then someone is cutting the right length, and then they bend around the metal sheet, and it has 2 ends. So this is another error. It's a feature here. You can prevent this by scaling in the x-axis the segment a little bit, but for me it's good because it's just what I wanted. So I go to top view and I blend in my layer 3, and now I see that the circle or the segments are too big. Now I select the circle and the band, go into top view, and I scale them down like this, and that's okay, and it looks really cool. So that's it for this part. In the next part we're going to model the spiral. Thank you for watching. See you.